Hello and welcome to Indian Kitchen Flavors. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare this beautiful, colorful fruit and nut salad. So let's get started and have a look at the ingredients required. 1 small pear chopped into bite sizes, 10 to 12 red grapes chopped in half ripe mango chopped into bite sizes, 2 tablespoons of pomegranate seeds, juice from half a lime, 4 mint leaves, 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Instead of honey, you can use powdered sugar. 10 to 12 walnut kernels. 1 tablespoon of raisins or sultanas. Some black salt according to taste. Red chili powder according to taste. Let's assemble the salad now. For that, I have a mixing bowl here. In the bowl, first goes in the pears, mangoes, grapes, pomegranate seeds, walnuts, raisins. Next we will take the mint leaves and we will tear this just with our hands. We are going to just tear it into pieces and add it to the salad. Next I'm going to add in the honey. Instead of honey you can add powdered sugar as well. Now I will drizzle some lemon juice. Now I will add some red chili powder according to taste, some black salt according to taste. If you don't have black salt available, you can use the regular table salt instead, or you can go for the Himalayan pink salt as well. So now all the ingredients are in the bowl. Let's start mixing. So everything has been mixed well. At this stage, check for the seasoning. If you feel the need of adding more honey or lemon juice or salt, you can do so now. It tastes perfect for me. So now I will plate the salad. So here I have plated the salad and it's all ready to be served. You can see how beautiful, colorful and lovely this salad is looking. And believe me, it is as yummy as it looks. So do give it a try and share your feedbacks with me in the comment section below. If you like today's recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again with a new video. Till then, bye bye.